Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, quick and easy taco soup, perfect for busy weeknights. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First up, grab about 1/3 of a fresh onion and give it a good chop and dice. This will add a lovely depth of flavor. Next, mince 3 garlic cloves. Their aromatic punch will make this soup irresistible. Chop about 1/3 of a cilantro bunch or 2 tablespoons. It will bring a fresh, herby, and Mexican flavor to the dish. We're also going to chop 2 russet potatoes into cubes. They're optional and will add a heartiness to your soup. Now that our ingredients are prepped and ready, let's head over to the stove. I'm adding 2 pounds of ground beef into my Dutch oven. I prefer to break it up using a meat chopper. It makes the process quick and easy. If you're curious about any of the tools I'm using today, I've got links to all my favorite kitchen gadgets in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. As the beef browns, you'll notice a bit of pink still lingering, along with some grease at the bottom of the pan. That's actually a good thing. I like to use that flavorful fat to kickstart the next step. Now it's time to add our potatoes. If you're using lean beef and there's not much fat, feel free to add a splash of oil to help cook the potatoes evenly. This way they'll soak up all those delicious flavors and become tender and hearty. Continue to brown your beef with potatoes and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then make sure to drain your grease. You don't want a greasy soup either. Now add your chopped onion to the pot and let it cook for about a minute, just until it starts to soften and become fragrant. Next, I like to turn the heat down to low-medium. Time to add the garlic. About 3 minced garlic cloves. Stir it in for just 15 seconds to release that wonderful aroma. Then season with salt and pepper to your taste. For the seasoning, I keep it straightforward and flavorful. 1 packet of McCormick Taco seasoning. And to add that savory note, 1 packet of ranch seasoning. It's a great combo that really elevates the soup. Give everything a good mix so those spices coat all the ingredients. Now stir in a 12-ounce bag of frozen corn and 1 can of pinto beans for that hearty beany goodness. Sometimes I prefer black beans, so feel free to switch it up. Next, pour in a 32-ounce container of beef broth. That's about 4 cups, and for a little extra soupiness, I add 2 cups of water. Give it all a stir. Finally, add your chopped cilantro for that fresh, herby kick. Then we're going to turn up the heat and bring everything to a gentle simmer. Once it simmers, cover the pot and let it cook on low heat for about 25 minutes or until your potatoes are fork tender. 25 minutes later, and our taco soup is looking absolutely amazing. Rich, hearty, and full of flavor. Before digging in, I like to add a few toppings to make it even better. Now this part is optional. A drizzle of Mexican crema or a dollop of sour cream adds a lovely creamy tang that balances the spices. And of course, I can't forget those crispy tortilla strips. They give a perfect crunch and take that soup to a taco level. I hope you enjoyed this delicious, comforting taco soup.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.